We thank God for another beautiful day the Lord has given us today. Today is also a wonderful day. I welcome each and everyone on board. Today we are going to learn about how to do your own online TV for free. Actually, a lot of people were asking that once you are done with the radio, what about TV? So today we are going to study about TV too. And TV it's not about social media, or I would say like Facebook or YouTube, no. But you're going to use dedicated server like the radio, whereby you're going to stream the at the same time you can put it on your mobile app, on your website, and you're going to stream for free. All you need is your data. So I welcome each and everyone. Please, if today is your first time of watching, I welcome you. And once you come on board, please, I will entreat each and everyone that you kindly like and share to your friends. It's not easy, to get all this free stuff. But once you get it, I will say that kindly share with your friends so that at least they also know what is really going on, what you're also learning from here. So today I wouldn't take much time. We'll go ahead and then last week after studying the radio, a lot of questions came on board that people wanted to ask questions. It was unfortunate that later it came out, but I couldn't get the opportunity to answer you all. So today I'll go over. It seems like people were having issues when it comes to connecting the server to the software. So today I'll go to the website back and then we take a look at it. So please kindly take note of some of the things I'll be teaching, and then so that when it's over you'll be able to know it. And kindly try as much as possible that whatever I will teach you, take note of it, because it's if you don't take note of it, you'll be asking questions. There are some questions you shouldn't be asking, because once I'm able to teach here, you shouldn't even ask me. But a lot of questions were coming on, so moreover too, I said that whenever you have issues, please try as much as possible that you contact me. I'll be able to help you out, including the software. So whenever you try as much as possible that you try, and then all questions that you want me to do or anything you want me to help you on, you just ask and then I'll teach you. So we didn't spend much time. Last week a lot of were asking that I was not able to help them with the software. Please, with the software, it's only Sam Broadcaster, and then I was able to send. But if you need any help with the radio cast and then radio box, please, I'll send it back on the platform, then you take a look at it. So today let's go straight to the softwares. The software we have, last week I was able to send the Sam Broadcaster, so let's take a look at the Sam Broadcaster and how it looks like. So today, before we go to the TV, this is the Sam Broadcaster. So this is how the Sam Broadcaster is. So this is how the Sam Broadcaster is. Please, last time I said that when you install, when you install the Sam Broadcaster, we have desktop A, B, and then C. Now with the desktop A, that's where you're going to see where they've written Q. That's where you put all your music. And then desktop B, that's where your server will be. That's where they've written the encoder. So when you check where the mouse is, you see encoders. That's where it will be. So please, I will say that try to study what I'm teaching, and then it will really help. Now when you look at the encoders, that's where you put your settings. So when you install the Sam Broadcaster, now there's little difficulty about the installing. Now let me show you this. The software I posted on the platform today, I'll try as much as possible to send a link to where you can download the software, not only on the Sam Broadcaster, but rather where you can get it for free. I'll send a link, then you just download it. So let me take a look. Let's go through how the software is. So if you have downloaded my software, this is how the software will come. Please, first of all, install the Sam BC, that's FB. That's one. You need to install that one first. So after installing, you uninstall it again. Listen very carefully that how you install the software. The Sam BC-FB, please kindly install that software first. After installing, just uninstall it. After uninstalling it, then you install the Sam BC-UP2, then you install. So after installing it, to ask of your code or the registration code. There is it. So you just have to place the code. It's already in the file. You just place it and it will just register. So you can see that when you register, you'll be able to get it for it's ready pro. So you'll be able to use it as much as you can. So you see that here's registration information. Everything is there. It's unlimited. You can use it as much as you want. So this is how it is. So you come to encoders and then you click on plus. So this is how it will come. Just click on MP3 normal and then you click OK. So when it comes OK, I told you that tip here auto start encoder after, and then auto reconnect, you can reduce it to 5. That's all. So you come to server details, then you select Icecast, and then where the server IP is, I told you that where it is, you just have to replace the settings. If you are not able to do this, that means that the whole thing will be in vain, because this is where you have to place all your information. So try as much as possible to take note of everything, because without this information you can't do whatever you have to do. So where the server IP is, that's where you go to. When you go to your server, that's where you place the server address, and then it will give you the server port, that is 80. Then it will give you the mount password. That's where you put the password, and then the mount to where the live is. You just clean, or you just have to take off the live and then put whatever the mount is. So you put the mount, or the conversation, the / your mount, and then you just put it. That's all. So once you're able to do that, then you just click OK. So once you click OK, then you are good to go. So you can see that mine is streaming here. So everything I'm doing is taking it live. That's all for the radio. If you have any difficulties, any questions, when I'm done, you can just send me a message or on my WhatsApp 0244882703, or you come to our platform, whether on Telegram, whether on WhatsApp, and then you ask your question. I'll be able to assist you. So today we are done with the radio. We wouldn't come back to the radio again, so I'll be able to clarify everything we need to know on the radio. So today we are moving on to TV. So TV, as the radio we did, that's how we are going to also do the TV. Now the TV, there's this server, there's a Primecast. So you can see on your screen that the Primecast, the website is primecast.com. So you go to primecast.com, and then you just have to register. Okay, try as much as possible to register, because without registration you can't do it. So go there, and then once you sign up, you'll be able to have access to it. So if you haven't signed up, you can sign up. If you are there, it's your first time to, you just have to log in. So for me, because I've already signed up, this is my login details or information. So once you have access, you register, you just have to go to control panel. Okay, so this is your control panel, and then if you can see I don't have any active accounts for now. So let me see what I can do now is I'll click on the Primecast and I'll come to streaming. I'll come to video, and then you see live video streaming. Okay, so I'll just click on it, start my TV channel. Okay, we have free. Okay, is for a month. Okay, it's always for a month. The second one is premium, $29 for a month. We have the platinum for $69 for a month, and the enterprise, that means the costume price, and that is what they are going to give it to you. So because we are not using the price, we are testing, we want to see how it is, we are going to use test. Okay, so let's continue to test, and then let's see how it will go. And then you can see here is a username, so make sure you also you need to have account name, username, and then account password. So once we are done, we just click OK, and then we just continue. Okay, so once you're able to have access to it, you will just come. So here I'm able to create an account, so I'll wait in my Gmail. They will send me a message that everything I have done is successful. So once I'm able to do that, they will take it from there. So this is the server configuration that you need before you can have access to whatever we are doing today. So it's all about having or how to stream TV. Remember that when we talk about TV, it's not about Facebook Live or YouTube Live. Okay, we have big churches or big people that when you go, you have their mobile app, they are streaming 24/7. Okay, not social media where you be streaming content whereby Facebook will tell you you are streaming someone's content. Okay, so that's what I want us to do. So let's see if they are able to approve my account. So if you are following, by now you should be able to create an account. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I'm going to do it, and once I'm able to do it, you're going to test and see that it's also working. Okay, so this software too, we are going to use 2 softwares, no, about 3. We can use Wirecast, you can use vMix, and you can use OBS, Wirecast, and then vMix. These are the 3 softwares we are going to use. So let's see that it has come or not. Okay, so if you are doing the same process, actually it takes time before it will come. So once it comes, you just have to configure, and then you start doing what is called the live TV. So as it goes on, if you have any questions or anything, you can ask me, and then I'll just answer you. Okay, so once we're able to finish with it, because it takes time, maybe we see what to do. I'm trying to see whether they've approved it. It takes time. Good. So let's see. When you enter my account, this is how it is. So you just go to control panel, and then you just click on your switch account, and you come to active account. So this is my active account. Now on my right side of it, you can see that everything you need is there. I said that when you just click on switch account, you come to active account. So this is the account, so you just click on it and it will just come. Okay, so when you come here on your right, you see that streaming information is there. So how are we going to do it? Now let's take a look at how you are going to configure things that you are doing. Okay, so let me open my vmix and then let's see how I'm going to do it. I want to show you guys how we're going to do the okay. So on your vmix, you go to your, because I'm streaming the vmix, I can't use vmix at the same time, but let me use the another software, that is Wirecast, to do it, and then let's see how it works. Okay, okay, so this is Wirecast. Okay, let's create our empty document and then let's continue and see how we can do it. Okay, so you know, with Wirecast, you have to come to output. Okay, then you click on output settings. So output settings, then you click on RTMP server, then just click OK. So here we have the address. Okay, so with the address, you come and pick your address from here. So this is how your address looks like. So you copy your address into the address, and then we have the stream, that is the stream key. For that one, you're going to only use the live stream. So you just click, or you just put live stream there, and then you come to set credentials, so username and then the password. So as you can see, you have the username. This is the username. Okay, so you just click on the username. So if you are following, you can see whatever I'm doing, and this is the password. So you just have to copy the password and then just paste it. So once you are done, just click OK. Alright, and then you have to set your encoding settings so that you wouldn't be having issues with it. So once you are done, just click OK. So let's pick anything at all, and then let's start streaming something, and let's see whether what we have done it will be working or not. Okay, so let me pick any video for my machine, and then let's see. Okay, all right, so there's any video I'm just trying to just play, and then we see how it will go. So you can see that this is the movie I'm showing right now on my screen. So how do you stream it? So once we are done with the settings, you just have to click on the stream. So you see it's blinking. So once you're able to, you see it's stable now. That means that whatever I'm doing, whatever I'm streaming right now, it's streaming. Okay, so once it's streaming now, let's test whether and see that it's streaming or not from the server. So okay, so you can see that I'm trying to open it. I'm just having a little challenges, but please, I'll just relax. Everything will be fine. Then also see everything I'm showing. Okay. So we go to the site. So when you have also created an account, you see that under here we have the HLS link. That is the streaming address. So you just have to place it in your app. That's where you'll be showing everything. So let's see how it will also go. And please don't forget that everything I'm teaching here is for our own good, so that at least you're able to know everything. Okay, so try as much as possible that you take note of everything I'm teaching here, because when you skip one, I don't think it will work. Okay, all right. VLC. Okay, I want us to just follow what I'm doing. You'll be able to see everything I'm doing. So this is the VLC. So you just have to go to media. Okay, let me close the Android Studio because it's taking much of my memory and it's trying to delay a little. Okay, so yes, when it comes to media, open network stream. Okay, so this is the network stream. So let me click play and let's see whether it's true or not, it's streaming or not. Okay, good. So you can see from here that I'm able to watch everything to